Hey, friends. The lithium battery was collected by 12 volts of 100 ampere hours. The battery collected 4 elements. Install the BMS controller on the one hand, and set a balance fee on the other side. I want to connect the refrigerator to this battery. In addition to the battery, an inverter is needed. I have a 1000 watt net sinus inverter. Connected the inverter to the battery. Connected the current meter. Let's see what current will be at the start of the fridge. Inverter has been included. The indicator lights up. The current is 0.1 amperes. I connect the fridge. We'll see what current will be. Launch current 54 amperes. The refrigerator works. Consumption current 14A. The battery is connected to the inverter. Less comes from a fee, plus from the battery. Current 14 ampere. The refrigerator works well. When there is no electricity in the house, you can use the battery and inverter. There will be backup power for the refrigerator and other devices. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to the channel. All bye.